Hello and welcome to Daryl Pritter Videos. Today we are in San Francisco, in California. It's a beautiful day and we're going to take you to Alamo Square, where you get an absolute fabulous view of the beautiful houses and the city behind. So join me on this fabulous video today, here in San Francisco.
Capturing moments, creating memories, and welcome to our channel.
So we're having another amazing walk here now at Alamo Square, and look at the view we've got. It's pretty unique as we look down into the city. Here we are. Let's get in here. Quite steep, if I remember all the pathways and everything into it. Just an absolutely beautiful place to just come and have a look at, really. Like I say, the hillsides and everything that we've got to climb up are really, really steep. He's out in front of me there. And look at the city. It's amazing. It's just fabulous here at Alamo Square in San Francisco. So we'll keep on going. We've got to go through this amazing tree area here as we go to where we can actually see the city. Homes there. And then these massive, massive thick trees. Just out of breath from coming up that amazing bank there. Can't tell you how steep that was. So let's just have a look what's going on here. I think there's like a cart here where you can get drinks and different things and take it to the tables here and sit and enjoy it. Yeah, it's a coffee shop. It's amazing. And then in front of me we've got the amazing square, which we're going to have a look at. On this bush, look beautiful. Yeah, you can get yourself a coffee from there and then take it across to these tables and enjoy it with that spectacular view. And look how many people there is here.
No one crashed out in the grass. Of course we're going to go.
And the view there now, the view is amazing as we look across there. And all I can say is wow as we look over there. That is just incredible. Let's zoom in and have a look. Just look at all the beautiful houses there that we've got, and the amazing city looking behind it. That's incredible. Really like it. What a view. So glad we've been able to get here today and get you a shot like that. We'll have another look here and just check all this beautiful area out. I can't believe how many people there is just chilling and just lying in the sun or in the shade here. It's amazing how many people are out on this lovely day. Blankets out, lying on the grass, having a wonderful time. Yeah, you can't get anything better than looking at that. That's really amazing. So we get out and head back, I think, towards the car here now. Well, that's just stunning there. Absolutely stunning as we've walked up to Alamo Square here in San Francisco today. Let's go back and see what else we can do and see what else we can see. This is the coffee club truck again there. Check it out, there's quite a few people ordering coffee. It's amazing. I think that was there last year, you know, as well. So that truck has been there for a while. It's amazed me. Trees are absolutely wonderful. Just look up there at them. They're spot on. And it's a lovely temperature. It's not as hot as yesterday, but it's certainly not cold here. Look at the park here, how nice it looks there. And the big trees again, they're incredible. And Daryl's doing his daily video there. He's having a good time doing that. Where I look in this park, it looks absolutely stunning. Look at the view we've got now here as we head down this steep bank that we just come up. And again, the trees, I know I keep banging on about it, but look at these trees, they're just amazing. They must have been there for years and years and years, catching the sun. Let's just zoom in on the city again there for you, and you can see how nice that looks as we start heading back to the car. And I've just noticed this tree. Check that tree out. Just leaves at the top. That looks unbelievable. How's it grown like that? How thick the trunk is on that tree as I look up it with the camera. Amazing. Walk down here, got a tremendous view of the city. You can see the Trans-American building there. That sticks out for miles, and that's just a wonderful, wonderful symbol of being in San Francisco. And that's poking up there with an amazing view in between the two tree trunks there. Incredible. And look at the view now here as well as we look through the two trees again and look at the amazing city. It looks out of this world. That tree that we were looking at earlier on, just from another perspective there. The park's beautifully kept as well. Really, really nice as we come down here. Path we went up, and you can see how steep it was. And then we went up there. And it took some walking. And then our car is parked just up here on the right, and look at the homes and everything there are as we go up here at the side of the park, and all the trees with the red blossom on it. tree is just incredible. What a colour. All the red. And then look at all the amazing houses and how beautiful they're all painted. San Francisco really is a beautiful city. To the car, and I think we're going to do Treasure Island.